History of Java. Here is a short history of Java. Java started out as a research project. First of all, Java is started as a research project. Research began in 1991 as a green project at Sun Microsystem Inc. First of all, Java is started as a research project, which was started by the Sun Microsystem Institute ANC. Research reports bought a new language wake or tree outside of the window of James Gosling's office at Sun. That is the wake. First of all, Java is also known as wake systems. It was developed as a embedded programming language, which means that we can embed it. It was developed as an embedded programming language which would enable embedded systems application. Okay, Java programming language is also known as a embedded system, since it can be used to enable the embedded systems application. It was not really created as a web programming language. Java is available at JDK and is an open source software. That is, JDK means Java Development Kit, which we will learn later. Language was created with the 5 main goals. First of all, Java was created for the 5 main goals that are listed here. It should be object oriented. I have already told you about the object oriented, which means that class and object concept were developed here. A single representation of a program will be executed on the multiple operating system. That means that it is platform independent, which means write once and run everywhere, anywhere. It should fully support network programming. Java should fully support network programming language. It should execute code for a remote source securely, and it is easy to use. These are the 5 main goals of the Java programming language. Wake was renamed in Java in 1994. Now Sun Microsystem is a subsidiary of Oracle Corporation. This is the short history of Java programming language. Here is the list of Java version of Java. That is the JDK 1.0, that is known as Wake. January 23, 1996, it was the first version of Java. Then after that, in February 1997, JDK 9.1 version, which is the rebirth of Java. Okay. Then features are inner classes of Java Beans, JDBC, that is the database for the Java application. RMI, reflection, AWT. Then after that, playground code name, that is the playground, which is the J2SE 1.2, December 8, 1998. That have JIT compiler, collection, ideal, and Cobra, script, FP, Java plugins. These are the versions of Java. Now Java versions SE8 and Java version SE 16 are currently running.